Hey guys, today I'm going to show you this 2022 Wildwood Heritage Glen LTZ, and it's the model 271 RL. The 271, it's kind of got the length there, but it's also a rear living too, so check this one out. You got the pass-through storage on the outside, which is really nice and spacious. The Heritage Glens are just really known for large living spaces in here. And you also got the fiberglass front cap there, which is really durable. And you got the front window on there. So when you're in the front bedroom, it looks super nice, okay? This does have opposing slides, and it's also got one entrance. It's got the solid steps here too, which is a really great feature for these coaches. Come on inside here. You got your buttons just straight ahead as soon as you walk into the coach. Let's start in the RL, in the rear living space. Check this out, guys. Lots and lots of space. It almost feels like a fifth wheel in here. Okay, we got our island here with the stainless steel sink as well as the removable nozzle. The island is really nice. Gotta love this part. And then a lot of places for storage, and you also got some USB ports right here as well. So if you wanted to plug in anything, phones, or even your coffee maker, you can totally do that. You also got more storage on here, and like this thing says, yes, it is wired for solar, so your batteries will never die on this one, okay, from that solar charge. We got opposing slides on this one, so it gives a lot more space. And on the top of this, you can see that it's got the accent lighting, which is a really beautiful feature you got in this coach. You got the freezer and the refrigerator, both gas and electric. Just really nice. You got lots of counter space on the island as well as over here too. You can put your Keurig right here or toaster. You got the microwave right here, and it's not on top of the 3-burner stove cooktop, which is pretty nice. It gives a lot more space here, and it's got that window. You also got the oven and some storage underneath here. And like, storage is gold, as the Shark Man would say. There's a whole bunch of things right here where you can use for storage, and gosh, look at that. I know you can picture all the stuff you're gonna put in there. It's really nice. This does have one AC unit, and it's just a really nice open floor plan you got here. Lots of lighting in here. As you can see on your left-hand side, we got the dinette here, freestanding dinette. With the bench, they don't have other chairs here, which is kind of nice because you can, and there's storage in here as well. But you can move it however you want to. You don't have to just stay put in there with the chairs or anything like that. Nice chairs as well. Nice little light fixture. You also got the reclining chairs, which is super nice. Being in here, watching the game, hanging out with your family. I know you can see this. This is really comfy. And honestly, I feel like I can go to sleep right here right now. It's super nice. They did it right. They actually catered everything towards the TV. So all of your seating arrangements, the recliners, and the sofa that's right behind you is facing the actual TV, the radio, and the fireplace. Really nice, guys. Honestly, this is super cool. Check out this side over here. You also got more places for storage, which is super nice. I'll pick that up in a second. But yeah, super beautiful. This also does convert into a sleeping space. So if you wanted to host people, you can totally do that, and just have them spend the night in your coach because you're the fun one. You also got little storage compartments on each side, and you have electric outlets and USB ports on each side. Like, you can be charging your freaking phone, which is really awesome while you're just hanging out with the family. Let's go into the front of the coach, okay? Gotta stop by the bathroom. What's really cool is also, your access to the bathroom is not blocked by any of your slides. So if you wanted to get in here, you totally can. Just making a pit stop. Really nice bathroom. Got a nice toilet, good size shower, good size sink. It's really beautiful in there. Come on into the bedroom. Check that out. This honestly looks like a king-size bed. It's got this is a queen-size bed. Nice sized mattress here. You got wardrobe closets on both sides, and electrical outlets and USB ports. So for your CPAP machines, for your charging devices, anything that you would need. You can totally put it on each side here. And it's also got this compartment where you can put more clothes as well. So that's really, really beautiful. Nice, open and lit. And on the front there, you can see the front window. Super nice. So while you're sleeping, you can let the natural sunlight come on in and wake you up just naturally with the sun. This also has a nice TV backer location, so if you wanted to mount a TV up here, you totally can. Just plug it in right there, and the antenna right over there. Guys, this 271 RL is super nice. Okay, you got a lot of space in here. You can host guests, have your family, long time stays, long time camping trips, anything like that. This is the coach for you, okay? If you want this one, go ahead and give me a call. My name is Kyle. Call me at 541-799-8794. I would love to talk to you. We'll talk soon, and happy RVing. Take it easy.